If you want to strengthen your vocabulary, don't just memorize long lists of words. Learn how to discover meanings naturally. When you see a new word, first look at the sentence it's in. Often, the other words around it will give you a clue about its meaning. For example, the explorer removed the manacles from the prisoner. Even if you've never heard the word manacles, the context tells you it's something used to tie or restrain someone. After you've guessed the meaning, check it in a reliable dictionary. Read not only the definition, but also how the word is used in real sentences. Don't skip the pronunciation. Say the word out loud until it sounds natural. Next, pay attention to the roots of the word. Many English words come from Latin or Greek. For instance, the root manu means hand. That's why we have words like manual, done by hand, manufacture, to make by hand, and manacle, something that binds the hands. When you understand one root, you can recognize dozens of related words instantly. But learning doesn't end there. Start using your new words in real life. Write them in short stories. Use them in conversations, or challenge yourself to use one new word each day. Words become permanent when they become personal. Finally, keep learning enjoyable and regular. Play word games, read books or magazines that you love, and keep exposing yourself to new expressions. The more naturally you meet new words, the faster your vocabulary will grow.